Hello everybody. Now determinant. So first of all we will discuss what is a determinant. A determinant is a representation of numbers that has particular value. Means you can say unique value associated with a square matrix. Means we can take the determinant of any one of the square matrix is there, we can take the determinant of that one. So determinant is a representation of the number that has a particular value, that is the, you can say the unique value that is associated with the square matrix is there only. See, the determinant we are going to, the elements we will enclose in the two lines only, two parallel lines you can say. It should be the square matrix. Any square matrix you can take the determinant of that one only. So first we are taking, suppose, determinant of a matrix of order 1. If the order 1 is there, means there is a square matrix is there, that is, this is your matrix, the element of this one is A, that is the order 1, which has the one row and one column is there only. So determinant of this one will be the element itself is, you can say, then A will be the determinant of this one. But if you are taking, suppose, order 2 matrix you are taking, suppose this is your matrix 2, 3, 4, 5, and you want to take the matrix determinant of this one is there. So determinant of A will be equal to, see now, we are supposed to multiply up to down first, this is 2 into 5, then minus down to up, 4 into 3. So this is equal to 2 into 5 is 10 minus 4, 3 is 12, that is minus 2. So your determinant of this 2 by 2 square matrix is minus 2 is there. Similarly we can take the, for the 3 by 3 is there. See, one example I am taking here. Then how can we find the determinant of that matrix is there only? Suppose we are taking the elements 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 4. Suppose this is we are taking, and you want to find out the determinant of this one. This is your, you want to find out the determinant of this. So for the first row you are supposed to take, so for first row you are taking for this element 1, for 1, this one, this first row and this first column we will delete. We are supposed to multiply this one, 1 into 3, minus 2 into 4, then minus, because if we talk about the sign is there only, so it's plus, then minus, then plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. This is the way is there only. If the 3 by 3 is there, square matrix is there, then this is plus, then minus, then plus, minus, plus, minus. Likewise we will continue. So this is plus, now minus 2. For this one, we will hide this row and this column. So 2 into 3, we will multiply this one. 2 into 3 minus 5 into 4. 5 into 4. Then for this 3, this column and this row will be, we will hide to 2 into 2 minus 5 into 1. 5 into 1. You can solve this one only. So 1, this is 3 minus 8 minus 2, 6 minus 20 plus 3, this is 4 minus 5. So this is 1 into 3 minus 8 minus 5 minus 2 into, here is minus 14 plus 3 into minus 1. So here is minus 5, this is minus is plus 28, and 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. So this is minus 8 plus 28, that is 20. So this 20 is the determinant of this square matrix. Have a look. So now we have to find out the determinant of this one by the Cyrus rule. Cyrus rule, according to Cyrus rule, is what we will do. We will write these element as usual, but first two column we are supposed to repeat is here 3, 9, 2, 2, minus 1, 3. Now multiply this one, this diagonally, like so. Up to down we will do here only, that is 3 into minus 1 into 5 plus 2 into 4 into 2 plus 5 into 9 into 3. This is, we will add these three, and rest of we are subtract here only. From down to up we will go, like 2 into this one to this, 2 into minus 1 into 5 plus 3 into 4 into 3, 3 into 4 into 3, and then 5 into 9 into 2 plus 5 into 9 into 2. Means up to down we are supposed to add them. From the sum of these three you are supposed to subtract the all these three only. So here you will get what? Minus 15, 16, this is 9, 15 into 9, 15 into 9, 135 plus minus is here. Here you will multiply minus 10 plus 36 plus here this is 5 into 9 into 2, that is 90. You can, here is plus 1, so this is 136 minus here is 90, 80 and this 116. This is you are getting is here only plus 1 and this 136 minus here is minus 10, this plus 26, you can add this one 160. So you will subtract 136 minus 160, that is equal to 20. This is your answer. Look, have a look. See, here is the minus 5 is there. Actually here is the minus, so you will multiply this one, it will be plus 15. So this will be 135 and 15, 150. So this is 166. And here is also, this is minus 5 into you will do, so that is minus 100. So minus 90, minus 10, minus 100, this one. So you will get here is minus 64. So you will add this one, so it will be 166 plus 64 plus 64. Some calculation mistake was there, so it will come 640 carry 2, that is 3 and 2. So 230 is your determinant is there. So you have to multiply the diagonally this into this into this plus this into this plus into this plus this one, and down to up you are going, then the product of these must be subtracted here only. You should be very careful here only. Actually here was the minus into this into you were doing, so you will get the negative value. So your determinant is 230. By the Cyrus rule you can find out, and without the Cyrus rule you are going to find out, then directly you can do this 3. This row and column will be deleted. You will multiply, direct I am doing 5 minus 12, 1 in, minus 1 into minus 5, 5 minus 12, then minus 2 for this one. This row, column and row will be 9, 5 0, 45 minus 8 plus 5 for this one. This column and row we will delete. Here is 27 plus 2. So here you will get what? 3 into minus 7 minus 2. Here you will get minus 53 plus 5 into 29 is here. So you will get minus 21 plus 6, 106 plus 145. So this is equal to minus 21 plus, you will add this one, you will get this is 1 5 and 2. So that is 21 you will subtract, that is 230. So this is your answer. So by using this one you are going to find the determinant, or by the Cyrus method. In both the cases you will get the same answer. Have a look. Now the use of the determinants in the coordinate geometry. Suppose if you know the vertices of a triangle is given, by using this determinant you can find the area of this triangle. Means the area of a triangle whose vertices are like x, r, y, r may be 1, 2, 3, means x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So let these three vertices are given, you want to find out the area. So that is equal to, area of triangle is equal to 1 over 2, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. As usual you must write that, but these vertices of the triangle and 1, 1, 1. And solve this one only, you will get the area of this one. So let this example we are taking, we want to find out the area of this one. 1 over 2, you must write down this minus 3, 4, 1, 1 minus 2, 5, means vertices as usual, but you must write down 1, 1 is here. And just calculate this one only, you will get the area of this triangle. So 1 over 2 here. For this one, minus 3, direct I am doing. This first row and first column we will take it, but by this minus 2 into 1, minus 2, minus 5 into 1, 5. Then for this 4, minus 4. Then this row and this column will be, so 1 into 1, minus 5 into 1, minus 5, then plus 1 for this one. So this first row and third column we will delete. So this is 1 into 5, 5 and minus 5 into minus 2. So plus, this become plus, so 10. So this is equal to 1 by 2, minus 3 into minus 7, minus 4 into minus 4, plus 1 into 50. So here you will get 1 by 2. This is 21 plus 16 plus 50 is equal to 1 by 2. Add them. So this is 7, 2, carry 1, 3, 4, 5, 52. So this is 26. So this 26 square unit will be the area of this triangle. So by using the determinants, you can find out the area of any of the triangle if the vertices are given. Have a look. Now the second one is there. If the equations are given like ARX plus BRY plus CR, where R is equal to 1, 2, 3 means A1X, B1Y plus C1, A2X, B2Y plus C2, A3X plus B3Y plus C3 is equal to 0. These three equations are given of a triangle. Then we can find out the area of that triangle. That is equal to 1 over 2 C1, C2 into C3. These C1, C2, C3, these are the cofactors, you can say. This C1 is not equal to this one. This C1 is, small C1 is, this is the constant term of this equation. So A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3 you must put here only. And you must calculate this C1. This C1 you will get for this one only. Just see, hide this row and this column, you will get A2 into B3 minus A3 into B2, this one. For this C2 you will do, that is minus, because plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus is here. So minus C2 you will do, then hide this and this one, so you will get A1 B3 minus A3 B1, but here is the minus, so sign will change. So A3 B1 plus minus A1 B3 you can do. Similarly for this one you can, this row and column you must hide A1 B2 minus A2 B1. So you will get the C1, C2, C3, these are in capital letter you can say. So you can put the values here, you can find the area of the triangle if you know the sides of a triangle are given. Similarly, you can find the equation of a straight line which is passing through these 2 points, that is passing through x1 by 1, x2 and y2. You want to know the equation of the line. With the help of the determinant, you can find the equation, that is x by 1, x1 by 1, 1, x2 y2 1. Solve this one, equal to 0. You will get the equation of a line is here only. Have a look. Okay, fourth one is there. The three lines are given, will be concurrent or not. Means all the 3 lines, the equation of the 3 lines are given. We want to check whether they are passing through the same point or not. Means they are the concurrent or not. So by with the help of the determinant we can check only. Just the coefficient, you are supposed to take the coefficient is there only. A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. Solve this one, and if the determinants comes equal to 0, you can say these lines are passing through the same point. Similarly, if ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, which is going to represent the pair of the straight lines, that is the pair of the straight line. This is the equation of pair of the straight lines. In that case, then AHG, HBF, GFC will be equal to 0. If this is going to satisfy, then you can say this is the equation of the pair of straight lines. Similarly, third case is there is a circle which is passing through these vertices. You want to know the equation of that. This is your triangle ABC, and there is a circle which is passing through these vertices, and we want to know the equation of this circle. So you can find out by using this one: x square plus y square, x by 1, x1 square plus y1 square, means these are the coordinates are there. Here this is the coordinate x1 y1, this is x2 y2, this is x3 y3. You can put the values here and solve it equal to 0. You will get the equation of a circle. Have a look. Okay, now we will discuss the minors and the cofactors there. If we delete the row and column of passing through the element A, say, let's suppose the element we are taking A11, and we want to find out the minor of this A11. So what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to subtract this, delete this row and this column. So if we denote the minus by like M11, M12, M13, M21, M22, M23, M31, M32, M33. Suppose. So if you want to write the M11, so what we will do? We are supposed to delete the row and column. For this one, you want to write the minor of this A11. You must delete this row and this column. So your minor will be this one: A22, A23, A32, A33. This is your minor is there. You want to write the minor for this A12, then this row and this column. So A21, A23, A31, A33. So this is your minor for this A11. You want to write the cofactor of this one. In cofactor, just the minor of the element, you must write down minus 1 raised to power I plus c is here. So if we write the C11, cofactor of this one, simply what we will do, minus 1 raised to power I plus j, means that is 1 plus 1 into M11. Means with this minor only, we are supposed to put this one. Suppose you want to write the minor of this 1, 2, means for this element. So this row and this column you will delete. You will get here is A21, A23, A31, A33. This row and this column we will delete. So A21, A23, A31, A33. So this is your minor. If you want to write the cofactor of this one, C12, that is equal to minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 2 into M12. Whatever the minor will come here only, just this into this, minus this into this. After that you will get the minor. That is multiplied by minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 2 is there. So this will be the cofactor is there. So the cofactors here will be C11, C12, C13. You can write down these cofactors by keeping in mind that one. C21, C22, C23, C31, C3. They are not equal, remember. 32, because sign will be changed. C33. And plus and minus sign will be changed according to this one. Actually in general is Cij is equal to minus 1 raised to power I plus j into the minor of Ij. That will give the cofactor of this one only. So if any one of the matrix is given, you can write the cofactors, the minors of for every element and cofactors for every element is there only. Have a look. Okay, now the question we are taking, this determinant is given, we have to find out the minors and cofactors. So this is, you can assume minor is M11, M12, M13, similarly M21, M22, M23, M31, M32, M33. These are your minors, and if you talk about the cofactors like C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C23, C31, C32, C33. That is, these are the cofactors there. So we will write the minor for this one. We are writing first one, this one only. So this row and column we will delete. So you will get, this is 2, minus 5, minus 1, 3. You will solve this one. 2 3 is 6. Minus, and this minus 1 into minus 5 plus 5 here. So you will get minor M11 is 1. And if you want to find out the C11, so C11 is equal to what? Minus 1 is to power 1 plus 1 into minor 1 1. So you can say 1 into, this is 1, so is equal to 1. So minor cofactor is 1 is there. Similarly, minor for 1 2, first row, second column. So this is 7 minus 5, 8, 3. You will get 7 3 is a 21 minus, and this minus, so it will become plus 40. So this is your 61. And if you find the cofactor of this one only, minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 3, 2, and this is M12. So that is minus 1 into 61. So this is minus 61. 7 minus 5 and 8 3 will come here only. 7 into 3 21, minus plus is there 40, 61. This is similarly M13. So first row and third column. So that is 7 to 8 minus 1. Solve this one. So minus 7 minus 16, that is minus 23. And if we find the C13 cofactor of this one, so minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 3 into M13. So this is 1 into minus 23. So this is minus 23 is your cofactor of this one. Similarly, you can write the minus for this element only for this, means M21. So this second row and first column we will delete. So 3 4 minus 1 3, 3 4 minus 1 3. Solve this one. So 9 plus 4, that is 13. If we talk about the C21, that is equal to minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 1 into M21, that is minus 1 into 13, that is minus 13. Similarly, you can calculate for this one, M22. So this second row, second column. So 2 4 8 3. 2 4 8 3. So this is equal to, you will get 6 minus 32, that is minus 26. And if we find the C22, that is minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 2 into M22. So this is 1. Minus 1 raised to power 4 means even is there, so it will be plus 1 into minus 26. So this is minus 26. Have a look. Now similarly, you can find the minor of the M23, means second row, third column. For the second row, third column we will delete. So this is 2 3, 8 minus 1. So you will solve, we will get minus 26. You want to find the cofactor of this one. 2 3 minus 1 is to power 2 plus 3 into whatever the cofactor minor is there only, plus 26. Similarly, I solve this 3 1, 3 2, 3 3 is here only, minor and the cofactors. So finally what you are getting, M23 is there, that is minus 26, and M31 is minus 23, M32 is minus 38, this is minus 38, and M33 is minus 17. These are your minus is there. So cofactors, only the sign you can change is here. Look at here now. Here is this one. Here is the plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. You can. So directly you can write down this is plus, so 1 will come as it is, minus. So by the minus, you have to multiply this one. It will be minus 61 will come. This is plus, say you will multiply this one, you will get as it is minus 23. Minus, say you will multiply this is minus 13. Plus minus 26 as it is. Then minus is multiplied this plus 26. Then minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. You will do the minus 23. Minus you will do, that is plus 38. By the minus you will multiply, and here is minus 70. So these are your cofactors. These are your cofactors. Have a look. See, if you want to write the cofactor of any one of the number, directly you can write down. See how. Suppose you want to write the cofactor of this one. That is third row, second column. Third row, second column. So you must write down minus 1 is to power 3 plus 2 and third row, second column you must deal it. So this is 2, 7, 4 minus 5. 2, 7, 4 minus 5. You must solve this one only. So minus 1 is to power 5, that is minus 1. And here you will say minus 10. Minus 28. So this is minus 1 into minus 38. So that is plus 38. So third row, second column. Third row, second column. Look at here now. So this is a cofactor. So likewise also you can write down the cofactor for any one of the element is there. Okay.